player. She secured third place in volleyball nations connected between 2018-19 and also got the best attacker award in the same. Also winners in clusters connected between 2018-19.
Next, I invite Red House captain Master Pranav Surya Sendil Kumar. He's a local player. He holds the record for the best timing in 400 meters relay since the year 2013. He's also a winner in local tournaments held conducted by Google on Europe Korea.
Now I call upon Red House Vice Captain Tanushree Balakrishnan. She attended 3 RTC camps and 2 CATC camps, holds the pride of Best Cadet in CATC conducted between 2016-17 and also a certificate holder in NCC.
Now I call upon the Master House. He's an athlete and a cricket player. He was selected for the Tamil Nadu Cricket Association camp for 2 consecutive years. He was also awarded the award of Best Bowler by United District Cricket Association. He was also selected for the combined district cricket tournament for 3 consecutive years.
Now I invite Vice Captain of Sarojini Naidu, Kamali Shanmugasundaram. She is a national level volleyball player. She participated in volleyball nations 2018-19 and secured third place. Winners in clusters connected between 2018-19 got third place in volleyball clusters. Also one among the top 10 with 89% in third nation global ranking championship.
Now we would like to have Master Karthipan Dhavamani, the captain of Mother Teresa House. He is a winner in various state and district level rifle shooting championship. He is also participated in national level rifle shooting contests and which is back 4th place, along with the best shooter award in mirror shooting.
I would now like to invite, she is an athlete and nation level volleyball nation connected between 2018-19.
We would now like to invite Master Sanjeev Venkateshwaran, the captain of Vivekananda House. He was selected by the All India Football Federation. He has also made the finals in the football tournament conducted by the Europe and Czechoslovakia, and he is part of the winning team in football tournament organized by Europe and Czechoslovakia.
Vivekananda House, Pragati Shanmugam. She is a national level volleyball player who secured first place in volleyball nations conducted between 2018-19, winners in volleyball 2018-19, and also third place in volleyball clusters conducted between 2016-17 and 2017-18.
Now we are happy to invite Jayaprasad Murugan, the pilot on the dais. He has secured the first position in high jump tournament organized by the Eero Sahaja. He has also bagged the second position in 200 meters high jump and relay in the men athletic meet organized by the Goa Sahaja. He has represented the state Tamil Nadu in national level football tournaments and was a part of the winning team in Coco Championship organized by Eero Sahaja.
Now, I would like to invite pilot Samyukta Lognathan in long jump conducted by Kanpur Sahodia, second place in district level swimming competition, and also secure third place in state level science exhibition.
I would now like to invite pilot Gopinath tournament conducted in Tiruvannamalai. He is also been a part of winning team in zonal and district level championships for 2 consecutive years.
She has secured first place in shot put, fourth place in discus conducted by Eero Sahodia, and also first place in mono archery conducted by Eero Sahodia.
Finally, he has been a part of the winning team in various football tournaments organized by Goa, Eero and the Coco Sahodia. He is also attended at district selections of cricket players. Dear August gathering, you will now witness the much anticipated oath-taking ceremony movement performed by the prefects who have taken the oath of office with the promise that they will carry out their duties.
Being members of Students' Council of Southern International School, present to state that will abide by the rules and regulations of the school with great sincerity and conviction, will organize and participate
Thank you, my little friends. Now it's time to honor our chief guest, Dr. S. Armugam. So I humbly invite our president, Sri S. K. Ramasamy sir, to honor him with a shawl and a memento as a token of love and gratitude. Thank you, sir. Now, I call upon our chief guest, Dr. Armugam, who found time out of his busy schedule and graced us on this auspicious occasion.
Respected guest of honor, Dr. Maithili, Management of Sagar International School, Principal, Senior Principal, faculty members, parents, and my dear students. Very good morning. Good morning, sir. Say good morning. Good morning, sir. Very good. So I am happy to participate in the ceremony. I am very happy. So today, the world is in the digital age. Every one of us blaming the students or youngsters, they are always in the laptop or a digital gadget. That's a thing happening everywhere. But the nowadays students, present youngsters, they are all very, very intelligent than ours. That is the fact. Everyone has to understand that the students are better than the earlier students. We should not blame them. If anyone is blaming the student, it is wrong. The parents are major culprit in bringing up the children. This is my observation. The parents are using the mobile phones, and all the parents nowadays, both of them, most of them are employed, and they say, I don't have time. I don't have time. You look my child. That is the wrong answer. I used to tell them, every parent must talk to their son or daughter in the evening or in the night. In the night, at least the parents must present in the dinner time. It must be their order. Then only know what has happened in the school. Let them have the discussion with them while taking food. So that is what required now. The students should know whether the classes are conducted. You can give a feedback. What is happening in the school? You can give a feedback. What is the children is doing? You can get an idea. Other thing is the parents are insisting on the students that we should go for engineering, we should go for medicine, they should understand what is the capability of their student. If the student is capable of drawing, then he should go to the drawing school. Not then. If the student is interested in acting, he should go for acting. If the student is so like that, the parent has to shape the student's life. If they shape the parent's life, the student's life, definitely the students will learn. See here, we have more than 800 students are studying in this school, only 15 to 20 students were selected for this ceremony. So that means those 15 students, they are having extraordinary thing within them so that they are coming to the front. Every child is having a capability. So one is in sports, one is in NCC, like that. So the students must have it. Another thing is, what is the student need then? Okay. The need for this is setting up a goal. I was talking to the Madam Maitri. She was telling, I wanted to have a uniform. That's why I have selected this. After a long struggle, she has become the NCC officer and wearing this. So she had a goal in that. So that is, they succeeded. The other thing is the management. So the management is, there are so many schools, but still we want to develop a school better than the other school. So the management had a goal. So they have become successful. So if you want to be successful in your life, you must have two things. One is short-term goal, other one is long-term goal. If you have that, definitely you can come up. You have to select a field, not all fields. I want my son or daughter to be chess champion, football champion, all the things. So all the things are not possible. Everyone is having at least one talent, and that talent to be taken up, and they should take up that. So I advise the youngsters, you must have a goal. Yes, short-term goal and a long-term goal. So short-term goal is still your school life. Long-term goal is for your entire life. So if you have that, definitely you can win in the game and you can become a better person in the world, in this country and all over the world. See, we want to live in a harmony and happiness. So happiness is the one thing everyone is interested. No one will say, I don't want to be happy. How will you become happy? How? It is only within you can only make yourself happy. You can make others happy, that is different. But yourself, you must have a happiness. So happiness is the word, everyone. So you must come to the school with a smiling face, no grimming part. So you always see the youngsters smiling. If you see your teacher, whether you know or not, you smile at the teacher. Then the friendship will develop and you will bond. That is what the basic requirement is there. So I will tell you my own, I wanted to expose my own, this one. What is the SWOT analysis? What is my strength? What is my weakness? What is the opportunity? What is the threat? That's what everyone has to do that. So everyone, SWOT analysis, self-analysis. So I wanted to talk about me to this so that, you know, I am a simple person here. I was born in a farmhouse, not in a village or a town. It's a farmhouse within half a kilometer area. No house was there. I was all alone. I don't have friends. I have friends only with cows, buffaloes, dog and cats and sheep. All the things were there in my house and everything. Up to 5 years of age, I was there in that house itself. After that, I went to school here, village school. It was 1 kilometer away from my house. I used to walk daily for 1 kilometer to reach the school. Okay, at the age of 5, I had to cross